Okay, who's this little cutie? Judy or Connie? I think that was Connie. And there's Marianne, not happy with Bill for some reason. Bill being goofy. Mom and Uncle Jim Jaspers. He's feeling pretty sprightly. And Jean's going to make him take that hat off with her short shorts. Everybody pose. Fun for the camera. There's Noreen and Bill. Look how he looks like Steve.